Okay, Avery, I'm going to talk pretty fast in this video so that these videos are not that long. So let me start out with, I'm going to make a line down here. Let me ask you something. If you had something like this, 4 squared, right? What does that equal? That equals 16, right? If you took the square root of 4 squared, what would it equal? It equals whatever is the base, right? So we're going to use that same skill over here on this one, this number 13 that you sent me last night. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take the square root of x plus 3 squared. But whatever we do on the left side, we have to do the right. Remember algebra, what we did in algebra? So all we're going to do is whatever is squared, we're just going to take the square root of it. So what that does is that eliminates those little parentheses. And what we're left with is x plus 3 on the left. And then what's the square root of 49? Well, it's 7. So now this is a really easy algebraic expression that I know you know how to solve, right? You probably already have the answer in your head because we're going to subtract 3 from both sides and the answer is x equals 4. Wasn't that easy? All right, so let's use that same skill down here. So we have 2y minus 5 squared. Well, how do we get rid of those parentheses? We just take the square root of 2y minus 5, right? Because it's squared. That's what that little caret means. It's squared. So what we're left with on the left is we have 2y minus 5. Well, what do we have on the right? We also have y plus 1 squared. So what do? We have to take the square root of y plus 1 squared. And what are we left with on the right? Y plus 1. So now we just take this answer and we solve it. Because you are so good in algebra, I know that you can solve this. We want to get all the y's on one side and all the numbers on the other. We can subtract a y from each side and we get y on the left. Oop, I'm running out of white space. So we get y equals, and then we're going to move that to that side. So we get y equals 6. Hopefully that was easy. I know that was fast. I hope that made sense. So again, anytime you have an expression like this, x plus 3 squared, and you want to get rid of those parentheses so you can make it a regular algebraic expression that you're so good at solving, all you do is take the square root of it. But remember, just like in algebra, whatever we do to the left side, we have to do to the right side like we did over there. Okay? Hope that helps. Sorry it took me a while to get back to you. I didn't get your picture until late last night at 11 o'clock. I'll go down to the bottom of the page and send you another video.